Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Power BI for non-tech made easy. So we are in our third session for conditional formatting. So we will hopefully cover all the aspects, basic aspects of the conditional formatting in the today's video. So there are third. This is the third session, and I will let you know you can make a very colorful grid, or you must say indicators over the columns, or on the basis of other column you can indicate the other column on the basis of other column, so it will be very useful for you. So there is already data I have loaded, and I have a grid available over here. So I'm making a bit more increase in size, so it will be very visible for you, better visible for you. So you can see that we have four columns available, and this is country, product, and date, and the profit. So what I'm going to do, the I will apply a conditional formatting, a background color. So you can see that here we have already available a column called color. So in our database, I've already defined the three color: red, blue, and yellow. So you can define your color in there, and maybe you can create a column on the basis of some, you can say, logic, and put the color over here, and you can bring this into the, you can apply the conditional formatting over here as well. Create a dex column, and then you apply some function using switch or condition, and you can easily create this sort of column in Power BI as well. So what I will select a field value, and I will select first color, and I will apply OK. So you can see that our colors are applied on this column. Okay, the second one is that I have to apply the bars. Okay, I will put a symbol, and I will put three symbols over there, and differentiate with this, with a percentage: 0 to 33, 34 to 67, 66, 67 to 100%. And I will put a symbol. The date will represent on the basis of profit, so the date will represent where the profit is light on this date. So let's see how we can do it. We select the filter, and we put the conditional formatting, and you can see the icon. Okay, so it is already available, so I will not do anything, but I will remember that the 0 to 33 percentage. Okay, based on the, just I have to put the base on the profit and the sum. Okay, and nothing top but the middle. Okay, so 0 to 33 percentage, I will represent the this sign, and from 33 to 67, it will represent it. It will represent you the 66% of the data. And after that, sorry, after that, from 3067 to 100, it will represent the circle, green circle. So I will click OK, and you can see that accordingly the data is divided into three different symbols, and your data, actually the data is somehow sorted, so that is why it is showing like this. You can see now the diamond is coming over here, and now you can see that symbols are in order, so it is already filtered by descending, so that is why. Now come again, there is a third option, and I will show you over here. So I will show a bar, that how positive and negative are coming. So showing a bar in a value, like I will show you that how you can do it. Conditional formatting, you click the, select the data bars. Okay, so you will define that if my value is positive, so it will show up increasing bar from left to right, with the color dark blue, and I will change the color to some pink purple shade, and negative bar will grow from right to left. Okay, now if I apply, you can see that the most increasing bar is with the highest value, and it is coming to lower side. And now you can see that from there, when the value is coming minus and increasing in minus, so the bar is also growing, but from center to left, towards left. So this is the now you can see that we have a very good colorful indicators available in the, you can say, grid, in a grid, but by using other columns as well, in the same column or in the other column, depend upon what you required. So this is all about conditional formatting. Hope you enjoyed the video. So our topic has been completed here with the three videos in a sequence. So if you have any query, you can let me comment over the video. Thanks so much. Allah Hafiz.